Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how McDonald's French fries are made inside the modern food factory.
As the soil gives way, the harvester reveals the hidden white flesh beneath the surface.
The next-gen system ensures every potato is cleaned with unparalleled precision, utilizing high-pressure water jets and synchronized rollers. The high-pressure steam rapidly expands upon exiting the chamber, loosening the skin through a process known as steam explosion. Inside the abrasion drum, potatoes are scrubbed clean by the textured walls and powerful jets of water.
Utilizing state-of-the-art cryogenic technology, the fries are rapidly cooled, ensuring optimal texture and freshness for the next stage.
Submerged in the intensely bubbling oil, the fries undergo their dramatic transformation from pale to perfect golden brown.
In this next-generation facility, automated robotic arms stack the sealed bags with mesmerizing choreography, ensuring peak efficiency.